The price of ignorance. George's fall from grace. George was born with a silver spoon in his mouth. Growing up in a mansion in the heart of America, he never knew the sting of poverty or the grit of hard work. However, his father, Michael, was a man of a different caliber. Michael wasn't born into wealth. He was the son of a struggling family. In his youth, Michael toiled as a construction worker by day and a delivery boy by night, racing through streets to deliver pizzas and burgers. Through sheer determination and sleepless nights, Michael built his own restaurant, which eventually turned into a massive empire with branches in almost every major city in America. After achieving immense success, Michael married a wealthy woman, and they were blessed with George. While Michael knew the value of every penny earned, George grew up as a spoiled prince, never bothering to learn a skill or understand the mechanics of the business that funded his luxury. Tragedy struck when George reached adulthood. His parents were involved in a horrific plane crash that claimed their lives. Suddenly, George was the sole heir to Michael's vast empire and a massive insurance payout. Left with a fortune but no wisdom, George became an easy target for bad advice. A friend introduced him to the world of Forex trading. Enticed by the prospect of quick money, George dove in headfirst without any formal education or training. He ignored the most basic rules of risk management. He never used a stop-loss and let his losses run deep, hoping the market would turn in his favor. To recover his initial losses, he began gambling with even larger sums of his father's hard-earned wealth. In a matter of months, the empire Michael spent a lifetime building was liquidated to cover trading debts. The mansions, the luxury cars, and the bank balance vanished. George, once the heir to millions, found himself on the streets, penniless and reduced to begging for a crust of bread. Moral of the story: Forex trading is not a game of luck. It is a serious profession that requires discipline, education, and strict risk management. Entering the market without learning is a recipe for disaster. As George's story illustrates, trading without a stop-loss and without understanding the market can destroy even the greatest of fortunes. Never treat a profession as a gamble, or you may end up losing everything you cherish.